Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can apply for PCC Police Clearance Certificate in Goa. So to apply for Goa Police Clearance Certificate, we'll need to visit the official website, which is citizen.goapolice.gov.in. Once you visit this website, we'll need to create an account on this portal by clicking on new user link. If you already have an account on this portal, you can just sign in using the citizen login link. The first step which we'll need to follow is we'll need to create a account using our email address and our personal details. So here you will need to create an account. If you're already having an account, you can use those login details and log in with your existing account. So to create an account, we'll need to just click on this create account option at the bottom of the page. And to sign up, you'll need to fill up all these details. So under personal details, you'll need to enter your first name, then middle name and last name, and keep a login name. It should be unique. This will be like username which will be required while logging in into your account on Goa Police portal. So then enter your date of birth, gender, email address is required over here. Once filling these personal details, move on to address details. Under address details, you'll need to mention your present address, pin code, present address state and present address district. Then enter your permanent address over here, pin code, permanent address state, permanent address district. So once entering these details, move on to the next field, which is identity details. Under identity details, you will need to select ID proof type 1 from the list of these documents. Select any one and enter your identity proof number over here. If you have selected driving license, then on the driving license there will be the driving license number. So that number you will need to enter over here. So similarly, if you select Aadhaar card, you will need to enter your Aadhaar number over here. So as per the document you select, you need to mention the identity proof number over here. So from this list, you select any one of the document and mention your ID number, and from the second proof, select any other ID proof and mention the number over here. So once you enter these details, mention your mobile number, click on send OTP. You will receive an one-time OTP on your mobile number entered. Just enter the OTP over here and click on verify OTP. So your mobile number will be verified. Then you will need to complete this captcha verification by entering the same text which you can see in this image over here. Once entering it correctly, just click on save button. So once setting up an account, you'll need to complete the verification by clicking on the link received in email which you have entered while registration. So once you complete the verification by clicking on the email link, your account will get activated and then you can log in. Our account has been created successfully. The password has been sent to our registered mobile number. So by using the login name which we have set and password, you'll need to log in. So once you enter the password which is received on your phone, solve the captcha code over here. Once solving this captcha code, just click on sign in button. So once you are logged in, under the citizen services, click on the police clearance certificate. This will open the police clearance certificate page. Here the procedure will be mentioned and what are the documents required are mentioned over here. So for police clearance certificate, you'll need to submit these documents such as passport size photograph, AP card, copy of passport, Aadhaar card, birth certificate and driving license. For more clarification, applicant may contact police station. The processing time will be 5 working days, and here are some of the terms and conditions which the applicant need to follow and read before applying for PCC. So let's proceed with the application by clicking on the proceed to apply button. So over here you will need to select your district. Just select the district. Once selecting the district, you will need to select the police station from the list and then click on the continue button. Here the application date will automatically load. Just click on save button to proceed. So our reference number has been successfully generated. Then we'll need to fill all these tabs one by one. Just scroll down the page and the first tab will be other details. So in other details, the purpose of applying for this service will be asked. You'll need to enter the purpose of applying the PCC, means for which purpose you are applying for PCC. Suppose if you are applying for job and you need the PCC for job, then you'll need to mention over here for job. If you want it for driving license, you can mention driving license. So mention the reason, for whatever reason you need to submit the PCC. So once entering the purpose, just click on save to save the changes and click on next button. So next tab will be personal details. Here you will need to furnish your personal details. So select the ID proof from the list. Whichever ID proof you can furnish, just select the ID proof from the list and enter the ID proof number over here. So once entering the ID proof number, enter your first name, last name, then your alias name if available. Select the gender, enter the age. So once you enter your date of birth, the age and age range will automatically load. There isn't any need to enter the age and age range manually. After entering the date of birth, both these field, age and age range, will automatically load. Enter the relative or guardian name. Select the relationship, occupation, then religion and nationality. All the fields which are marked in star mandatory to be filled. So fill these details. So once entering these details, personal details, just click on save button to save these details. A prompt will appear like this: saved successfully. Just click on OK. Here you can see the data which we had entered has been saved and it is showing here. If you want, you can just click on modify and change the details if you want to change any of the details which you had entered. In case if you want to delete this entry and re-enter it, just click on delete and you can enter a new personal details and click on save. So once you are done with personal details, just click on next button to load up the next step, which is the address. So here your name will be displayed automatically. So here to add the details, just click on add data button. So here you will need to fill up your address details like country, house number, resident type, district, city, village, street name, state, taluka, pin code, and just tick mark on this if this is your permanent address. If it is not your permanent address, just untick this and enter the permanent address by selecting the India or other. Enter the details in the below field. So once you are done with this, just scroll down under address during stay in Goa. Period of stay in Goa, you will need to select from which day till which day you are staying in Goa, or if you are currently staying in Goa, then enter the current date, and in the from date from which day you are staying in Goa, mention that date, and then over here mention the place name or address, and then upload the address proof document. So upload any of the address proof document such as driving license, voter ID, passport, electricity bill or water bill, or whichever document which are mentioned in the required document under PCC. So the uploaded document should be in BMP, JPG, GIF, JPG, PNG, and all these file formats are acceptable. The file size should be under 500 KB. So make sure your address proof document is under 500 KB. So once these details are filled and document is uploaded, just click on add to list. This will take some time to upload the document. So the details has been saved. Just click on OK and then click on the next button. So over here we'll need to enter the contact details. Just click on add data, scroll down and enter the contact details. You'll need to mention your mobile number, email address, alternate person name, alternate person contact number. So mention whichever fields you can provide over here. These details are not mandatory as it is not marked in star, so you can provide whichever details you can provide over here. So once entering the contact details, just click on save button. A prompt will appear, saved successfully. Just click on OK and then click on the next button. So this step will be of identification details. We'll need to just click on add data, scroll down, and here you will need to upload a ID proof document. Select the document from the list which you can provide. Once you select the document, you'll need to upload the document. The document which you are uploading should be under 400 KB and it should be in this format which I mentioned, and you'll also need to mention the identity proof number over here in this field. Whichever document you have selected, enter the identity proof number over here and mention the issue authority place. This will depend upon the document type, and also mention the issue date of the document. So once you fill up these details and upload the document, just click on add to list. This will take some time to upload the document and you will get a uploaded successfully message. Just click on OK. To proceed to the next step, just click on the next button and it will move towards to the address proof details. Here again we'll need to just click on add data and select the address proof document from the list. Whichever document you can provide, just select the document. Once you have selected documents, it will ask the document number, issuing authority place, validity to, issue date and validity from, and upload the document. Document should be under 400 KB and it should be in these file formats. So once you enter these details and upload the document, just click on add to list. The file has been uploaded successfully. Just click on OK, and to move to the next step, just click on the next button. So next step will be of declaration. It will ask you whether you have any criminal record, convictions or any criminal proceedings against you or your family in part of the country. Click on yes if it is applicable, click on no if there are no cases, and just tick mark on this all the details provided above are true, and just click on save button. Declaration has been saved successfully. Just click on OK and move on to the next step by clicking on the next button. So over here you will need to upload your passport size photograph. It should be in this file formats and it should be under 500 KB file size. So once you select the passport size photo, just click on the add button. This will take some time to upload the document. The file has been successfully uploaded. Just click on OK, then enter the captcha code displayed over here in this image over here, and then just click on proceed to payment button. Please save the application number for future reference. Just click on OK button. You cannot change any of the details once you proceed to payment. Just click on OK to proceed. So it is saying we cannot change any details once we proceed with the payment. So over here the application date will display, and over here we'll need to make the payment of rupees 200 for PCC. Just click on proceed button to make the payment. A pop-up will appear of payment gateway page. You can make payment with any of the online payment mode. Just click on this terms and condition and select your payment mode from credit card, internet banking or UPI. Select any of these details and proceed with the payment. Once the payment has been made, you will get payment successful pop-up like this. Just click on OK button and this page will send a notification saying petition submitted successfully. Your petition number is so and so. You can note down this number to track the future status of this. Just click on OK to proceed. So to check the status of your application, just click on my service status tab, and over here you will get to see the application which you have submitted for the PCC. The status is in progress and the payment is also successful. So here it will show the status. You can just click on this petition ID to view it in detail. So this will open your application which you have submitted. Here is your reference number. You can download the acknowledgement of your submitted application by just clicking on this printer. Just click on it and this will open your acknowledgement form. You can just take a printout of this or store it for your future reference purpose. You can keep checking the status by clicking on this my service status of your PCC. So in 1 to 2 working days you will receive a call from nearest police station to walk in with your ID proof, address proof and one passport size photograph. When you visit the police station, application will be filled over there and your passport size photo will be enclosed to it and you will be asked to sign on it. And once that process is completed, in 1 to 2 working days your police verification will be initiated, and after 1 to 2 working days your PCC will be issued to you and you will be able to download it yourself from this portal. So to download the PCC you will need to log in into this website Goa Police using the same credential. Once you log in, just click on the my services status. So under this page all your submitted requests will be listed. Once the PCC is ready, the final remark will show as your PCC is ready, please find the attached PDF file. So just click on the PCC certificate which is shown in this link. So here you can see the certificate document. Just click on it and this will show the attachment. So to download the PCC, just click on this file which is there with your name. Police Clearance Certificate will be in PDF format. So download the PDF format file. So this is how your PCC will look like. So you can furnish this PCC for the purpose which you have applied by taking a printout of it. So this is how you can easily apply PCC online from the Goa Police portal. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.